If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a reliable engine driven by an automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, Bluetooth wireless, power steering, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, air conditioning. Call today to schedule a test drive.